I spend too much time just getting ready. Let me be honest, I don't know one single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nats, and I hope everyone is happy, healthy, and doing okay. Today's video, I am taking you through what I am going to call my getting ready for baby must-have. So these are all of the things, or majority of the things, that I bought in preparation for my baby that is on the way. Currently I am 36 weeks today, so time is flying by. I cannot believe that we are in the final weeks of pregnancy right now, and I wanted to show you guys everything that we have bought or been gifted by friends, stuff that was, ooh, you guys, I can literally feel baby flakes like flipping off my bones. Those are the type of movements I'm feeling, and they're pretty, they make me itch on the inside of my stomach, so forgive me, you might see a lot of that in this video. But he is a very active baby. But like I was saying, I wanted to take you guys through majority of the things that we had on our baby registry that we either bought or were gifted from our family and a few of our friends, just so you have an idea of the stuff that I bought for my baby. And if you're looking for inspiration, that you may get inspiration from some of the things that I have here. Very affordable stuff for the most part, because if you know me and if you've been around on my channel for a while, you know I do not ridiculously spend on things that I can get maybe at the dollar store or for way cheaper. There's no way in hell I'm going to spend $300 on something that I could probably get for $100 or less. So it is very budget friendly, and if something is really expensive, it means that there are really no other alternatives. So I hope that you find inspiration from this video if you are also an expecting mama. And of course, big congratulations to you. I do have a piece of paper here with a list of all of the things I have surrounding me. Some of the things I will definitely have to get up and show you guys because they are already assembled, like the bigger furniture and stuff. Baby Flex's clothes, I did a walkthrough of his clothes to you in other videos, and his kitchen items like bibs and bottles and pacifiers and stuff like that. I have a video that I'm going to link right up here at the top of your screen in the iCards for you. So if you have not yet seen those videos, check those videos out for the products that you won't be seeing in this video. So let's get started, and the first category of stuff that I want to show you is baby gear. So like the bigger type of furniture that I thought I needed, that I see in various YouTube videos that I've watched and persons that I have asked questions. Very high up on the list was a baby monitor, and it goes without saying what a baby monitor is, so I will not go into explaining it. I'll just show you the one that we got. And if you are new as well, we live in Japan, so some of the things here are really Japanese version of items that you would find on Amazon US. But the good thing is I was able to find a lot of the same stuff on both sites, so I'll be linking everything that I can link down in the description box below. So if you fall in love with any of these items and you want to get them for yourself, be sure to check the description box down below. You guys, the baby is like rolling from one, like he's right here now, and I'm feeling this flip over this side, and then he flips back over this side. It is really, I'm not gonna say painful, but the sensation is crazy. Yeah, so the baby monitor is this one from Anflag, and I am not the tech person in my family. My husband is, so his job was to find us a baby monitor that was very good and very affordable, and this was the one that he found. And based on the description, it's a very good monitor because it gives you the feed in 1080p, which, to be honest, not many baby cameras give you the feed like on the screen in 1080p. Most of them are of a lower quality, so we thought that this one was going to be very good to have because it gives us the feed in 1080p. So this is what it looks like, and ow, I feel as if I cannot speak well because I have to be dealing with a moving baby in my stomach right now. So this is the monitor, and then this is the camera, and we can use this to control the movement of this. So this can actually spin 360. That means we can look around the room to see what is going on with baby. And it also has a couple of functions where you can talk. So you press the button and you can talk through here, and the baby will hear it through the monitor to know that, you know, mom or dad is not far away. And of course it comes with a split screen, so you can connect multiple cameras to this device and watch them on here. And like I said, the best part of it is it gives you the feed in 1080p, and the night camera is very good. So I do highly recommend this. I'm going to be searching for this brand on amazon.com, so I can link it down below for you guys. But we actually bought this on Amazon Japan, so I'm not sure if it's just a Japanese brand or if it's like an international brand, but I'll check, and if I do not see it, I'll link something just as good as this one so that you guys can have one of these too. Oh guys, and it does come with a wall mount, so you can choose to put it on a surface just as it is, or you can mount it on the wall. It does come with the wall mount, and it comes with all of the cords and stuff that you need to operate it. Alright, the next baby gear item that I want to show you guys is this rocker that we had on our registry also, and it is basically like it said, it's very self-explanatory. Just a rocker where baby can lounge out and hang out with us anywhere in the house that we are. It's very lightweight, so it's easy to lift and carry anywhere that we are. And I am going to be inserting a video clip right here over your screen so that you guys can see it all set up and in action. This is the rocker in person that I just showed you. So basically, once baby moves in it, it rocks. So imagine them kicking up in this. It would continuously rock, and then it has the toys on there. Yeah, so he has this lounger that we can bring anywhere in the house, especially if we are like in the office working, stuff like that. He could be in this right in there with us. So highly recommend if you're looking for something to take with you around the house and have baby entertain, because it does have the toys on it, as you can see. And once he is like, you know, very active in it, like flipping up his feet or anything, it rocks, so it gives a good rocking kind of situation. The other kind of lounger situation that we did put on our registry is his baby swing, and I'm going to be inserting video footage of the swing here so that you can see it all set up. Alright guys, so this is what the swing looks like, all built and ready. It is not plugged in right now, neither does it has batteries in, but basically it comes with these functions where you can play a song, you can stop it from making noises, and then this is a form of white noise, and then this is also like lullaby kind of stuff. This is the control panel for how intense you want the swinging to be, and this is the volume control. This seat down here is the vibration, so this also needs battery, but basically once it's plugged in and you select which intensity of swinging you want, it basically swings like that. And like I said, it can play white noise and lullabies for the baby. And this is set right in our living room, so perfect place for baby to hang out with us. Alright, the other thing that I want to show you guys is his baby carrier that I got for Adam. So we registered for 2 types of carriers, one for mom and one for dad, and maybe I can even use this too for myself, but I really got this for Adam to be able to carry baby. So it's this one, this BB Park soft baby carrier. So I figured that this would come in handy if we're on the road and Adam needs to carry the baby. Adam is my husband, if you didn't know. And yeah, it is good for 0 to 12 months, and it can be worn in, I think, 4 different ways. So it has the front facing back. You can bring the baby on your back like a backpack. You can wear it as a sling, and you can have the baby like to your chest as well as facing out. So I thought that this was very affordable to buy, especially right now. I know there are other bigger brands like Ergo Baby, but to be honest, that was not in our budget. So we went with a more affordable one that I think does just as good of a job. But who am I to say what job this does? I've never had a baby before. This is our first baby, but this is the baby carrier that we decided to go with. And then for me, for a more comfortable kind of fit, I did decide to go with a baby wrap. So this one is similar to like the Solid Baby wrap. Let me show you guys. With this is really the cloth wrap. Cannot speak, but it's really a cloth wrap. So it looks like this for baby wearing. I hope you guys can see clearly. So it's really for me to wear baby on me. It's a cloth, comes like this, very soft material. And I'm going to have to watch a bunch of YouTube videos to know exactly how to actually wear this thing with a baby inside of it, because I ain't trying to drop my child, you know what I mean? Alright, the next thing I want to talk to you guys about is the baby stroller that we decided to go with. And again, I am going to be inserting footage over your screen so that you can see the baby stroller that we got and the rain cover to go over it, just in case it is raining. So we do not drive here in Japan, so majority of our baby travels will be on public transportation, which is the train. As you can see, it can bend in the bed format, so baby can lie there when he's a newborn, and then it also converts into a toddler stroller when he is just a little bit older and doesn't need to be laying down as much anymore. We love this one, and I am happy that this is the one that we chose. And the last thing in baby gear that I want to talk to you guys about is his diaper bag. And this is the diaper bag that we decided to go with. I absolutely love it. I love the color, I love the details, I love everything about it. And I know that there are different types of diaper bags. As a matter of fact, I didn't even know that nowadays the diaper bags were the ones that you can wear on your back, like a backpack like this, because while I was growing up and seeing my sisters have babies and stuff like that, it was always the ones that go over the shoulder. So I was very surprised that when I searched baby bags or diaper bags, these were the most popular ones that were coming up. And to be honest, I prefer these ones as opposed to the ones on the shoulder, because at least you can just have this strapped on your back and not have to worry about things falling off your shoulder, stuff like that. So very easy to carry. And this bag in particular also comes with an area here that you can use to charge your phone. That is how fancy these diaper bags are being made now, y'all. You have to charge the thing inside of it that powers this part, but once that is charged, you can plug your phone in here and charge your phone. It also comes with a portable kind of changing mat for the baby. So if you can see this part right here, so I can take it right off, and then it opens up like this, and it does come with like a baby changing pad here. So basically I would put this part into this part here, like flat on the ground like this, and that could be like a nice place to change your baby if you're out in public and there is no public nursery around. Because in Japan, in the train stations and maybe some shopping malls, there are nurseries where you can go and like change your baby and all of that stuff. But just in case you're at a park doing a picnic, something like that, and there is no public space designated for you to handle baby's business. This bag comes in handy. You put it down wherever you are, spread the mat out, and then baby can sleep, or you can change the baby right then and there, because your diaper bag is all that and a bag of chips. And it has a lot of partitions inside of it as well. As you can see, it is very, very, very deep. And then it comes with this front part right here, has a place that you can put bottles, and it is insulated, so if it's hot it stays hot, and then if it's cold it stays cold. And the last thing about this bag is that it comes with a little pouch that you can put a pacifier in for baby as well. So if you ask me, I love this bag, and there are other variations of these bags too. So if you do not want one with the changing table or sleeping thing kind of situation, or you do not want one that can charge your phone, there are those ones out there too, but this was the one that was most appealing to me, so it's the one that I got. And that does it for baby gear. So we're moving on into nursery and kind of sleeping situation right now. And the first thing that I want to show you is his bassinet, which I am also going to be playing a video over your screen so that you can see his bassinet all set up. Okay, this is the baby's bassinet. It comes with a little shelf on the bottom that you can hold stuff on. I just have a diaper carry down there, and then this is inside of the bassinet. Very big and very wide, very sturdy as well. And it comes with the mosquito net that you can just put over it like this. And if you do not want to take it all off, you can get baby this way as well. And since we're in the nursery by this point, let me just show you the changing table as well. And this right here is his changing table. So we have a nice big and wide changing table here. We have the straps to strap him down so he does not move all over the place. And then at the side we have this little organizer that we're keeping diapers and wipes and stuff like lotion and butt cream and just extra wipes and pampers down there. Alright, the next thing that I want to show you is the lounger, something similar to the Snuggle Me or the Duckatot that is very, very popular in the mom world. I realized, to be honest, it was out of my budget. The Snuggle Me and the Duckatot, they're super expensive, and I was not sure if I wanted to spend so much money on just a lounger. So I did end up finding this one right here, which is basically an alternative to the Snuggle Me or the Duckatot, just at a more affordable price. So this is the one I decided to go with. It does not look as snug, like the width of it does not look as, you know, small as the Snuggle Me, but I think it works the same. It's a baby lounger, so I wonder how different it really can be. I cannot wait to test it out, and then of course I'll get back to you guys and tell you what worked for us and what did not work, and what we're absolutely glad that we bought and what we absolutely regret that we bought. That video will be coming out as soon as baby is here and we've gotten a chance to use all of these things. But for right now, I feel as if this works the same way and it's cheaper, so why not buy it? This is what it looks like, a baby lounger. It is going to be linked down below. So that's that for the lounger. Next up is baby's pillow. So of course I needed to have a pillow for Baby Flex's bassinet. And if you're new, we call Baby Flex because his dad goes by and Agiflex as his nickname, and then I go by Natiflex as my nickname to Adam's friends. So when we got pregnant, we were like, what are we going to refer to the baby as on the internet? He does have a name, we have a name set in stone, but we're waiting until he's born when we're introducing him to you guys before announcing his name. So that is why you hear Baby Flex a lot if you're new. Yeah, so his pillow, this is the pillow that we the brand of pillow that we decided to go by. It's Babe Bay, and it really just looks like this. It is super soft, like look at this, super soft, and it is made with this circle right here where the baby head goes to prevent flat head syndrome, or I don't know the correct word for it, but that thing where the baby develops a flat head because they're just laying on their back all the time. So this kind of prevents that because it has a nice little circular hole right here, so the baby's head sinks into this and it keeps baby's head back rounded. So this is the pillow we decided to go with. Super soft. He's going to love this. Right, the next thing that I got for the nursery is a rocking chair, and this is very popular to the glider situation that is very popular to have when building baby's nursery. Unfortunately, here in Japan I could not pin down a glider. For some reason I could not find a glider that looks like the ones that I see in nursery videos, where it basically looks like a sofa, like a regular couch, but it has the rocking motion and the gliding motion. But I did ended up finding a rocking chair, so that is what we decided to go with. I'm going to insert what the rocking chair looks like. Personally, right now I am not loving this rocking chair because I don't know, I feel as if I spend too much effort trying to rock this chair, because the foot of it can recline up so your feet are not on the ground. But I realize when I'm doing that, it takes me so much effort to be like rocking it, and I'm like, when I have to be soothing a crying baby, I don't want to be focusing on trying to rock a chair, you know what I mean? But once my feet are on the ground, then it's easier to rock, so I figure I will just use it that way instead of heightening my feet. We'll see. I don't know. Adam loves it though, because Adam does not mind, you know, rocking the chair. So still glad we have it. It's just that it's not as functional as I thought it would have been. If you can get a glider, I suggest getting a glider like the ones that are on Pinterest and in the YouTube videos and all of that. Get one like that. Do not get a rocking chair. Alright, the next thing for baby is sleep, which based on my research, I heard that it is very important to have is a sound machine to help baby sleep and to help soothe baby and all of that. So this is a sound machine that we got, and it has about 11 sounds on there that can help with soothing the baby. And this thing here is a night light as well, so it helps, you know, give you a little bit of sight, especially at night when you are trying to keep things dark, because you are trying to teach baby the difference between night and day. Now let me just pause here to say I am a Jamaican, and I know a lot of Jamaicans watch my video and probably wondering, sound machine, I didn't buy any sound machine, or in our culture we don't use sound machine and all of that. The thing is, we're all different and we all research different and we all approach different events in our lives that different. And I, in my research, came across sleep training and what babies need to sleep and all of that, and I decided that we are going to be buying a sound machine because eventually we'll be sleep training. I do not intend to be up involuntarily 12 a.m. in the night because my baby decides that he is not going to sleep. I do not want that to happen, and myself and Adam, we are willing to do whatever it takes to ensure that baby gets on a sleep schedule and he has a bedtime, and when that time comes he knows his routine and he goes to bed and he sleeps. Now this of course is just me dreaming and it could be a totally different story, but what I'm saying is we do not plan to just let the baby have his way and sleep when he wants and then be up when he wants. So sound machine, very important to us. So we got this brand and it will be linked down in the description like I said. The other thing that we got for the nursery situation is a humidifier, and I have not yet taken this one out of the package, but it looks like this basically. A big enough humidifier that does not run out in like 2 hours, and basically we get the humidifier to add to take away the dryness from out of the air. We do live in Japan. Baby is being born in winter, which means it's a drier season. The air is dry and that can cause anything from cracked skin to just being unable to breathe very well because the air is so dry. So we got a humidifier so we can at least try to increase moisture in the air so that the dryness does not affect the baby too much. So humidifier is there. And another thing that I won't be showing you because it is packed away right now is a heater. So in Japan, like I said, we experience winter and we do not have vents in our apartments or homes. As a matter of fact, I don't know how the houses are built, but I know for the apartments we do not have vents like say the American homes or the Canadian homes that, you know, you have vents all over the house and you can basically set a temperature in your house and every single room in the house or the apartment is at that temperature. We do not have that here in Japanese apartments. We only have one air conditioning unit that provides AC and heat and fan and dehumidifier, and it is only in one room, and it is just in the room that I'm in right now, which is the living room, and it does not spread to the whole house because we have a lot of rooms in the house. So a heater in a baby's room was definitely a must have because it does get super cold and we do not want baby to freeze. And that is it for the nursery section of this video, and we're moving on to bath. And this part is very simple because for here we just have a bath and a net, but it is a very good bath, I can tell you that. And I am going to be pulling it down and showing you in an overlay over your screen just why I love this bath. It looks like this, and then you basically press it down into a bath, and then this, and then you can press it all the way down to store it again. The blue thing, it changes to white when the water is too hot, so that gives mom and dad or anyone that is bathing the baby a good idea of how hot the water is, so we do not put baby flex in super hot water. Of course, there are many gadgets out there, and there are many bath thermometers that you can put in the water to let you know the temperature, but this one, it gets white once the water is above a certain degree that would be too hot for the baby, and then when it's blue, you know that it is warm enough for the baby to be in there. So this is kind of a smart bath. I really like it. If I can find any on Amazon.com, I will link it or try to find something similar, but this one I got from Amazon Japan. And to go along with the bath, we also have this net because as a newborn baby, you know, being in this big size bath, it may be straining to have like be holding the baby in the bath while trying to bathe them. So we got this net that basically goes over the bath, and you can put the baby right inside the net here, and then the water would be in the bath, and then you can easily have your two hands to deal with the baby. So we got the net to go with the bath as well. And that is it. The other thing that I have for bath time is a cradle cap brush, and this one is from Frida Baby. So the Frida Baby cradle cap brush, if you're a mom, I suppose you know what cradle cap is. It's that thing that they get in their head that looks kind of scabby and just you feel like you want to pick it. I've always seen my nieces and nephews have them, and my sisters would get really serious about us not like picking it or anything like that. But that is called the cradle cap based on my research, and there are various products that you can buy to help, you know, not have it looking disgusting basically. So I picked up this cradle cap brush set from Frida Baby, and it is a 1, 2, 3 step process that helps to reduce cradle cap. So if you're a mom, look into Frida Baby's cradle cap brush system. You might find that it is a must-have for you. And that completes the bath time, so we are moving right on to playtime. So the first thing for playtime is the tummy time mat. Very important for baby to learn how to lift his head on his own and, you know, be mobile, play, all of that. And it's also a lounger where you can have it anywhere in the house, and you put baby on, baby have stuff to entertain him, stuff like that. So let me insert the tummy time mat here for you so you can see what that looks like. This is Baby Flex's tummy time mat, just a simple sky shaped tummy time mat. But also, as you can see, it is not only a tummy time mat, but it also comes with the count from 1 to 12 that we can take monthly pictures on. So 1 month picture, 2 months picture, that kind of style that we see all over Instagram with babies. This mat can be used to do that as well. Next up for playtime are these cards that I bought for Baby Flex. So these are just flash cards. It comes in a pack of 4 cards with various different cards to help, you know, just stimulate baby for playtime. It comes with a set of black and white cards because, as you know, when babies are just born, they cannot really see color and they mostly gravitate to black and white visuals. So it comes with a pack of black and white cards for baby for the newborn stage, and then moving forward it has like animals, very colorful animals, fruits, vegetables, and then just random things like ice cream and all of that. Very colorful cards, and I think they will be nice things to help baby learn and to stimulate his eyesight. If you are liking the video and the recommendation so far, of course, please give the video a big thumbs up, and if you're new, please consider subscribing. It is going to be a grand time over here, especially when baby is born. You get to see my vlogs and you'll get to see me incorporating all of these products in our day-to-day life. So if that sounds like something that you'll be interested in watching, please subscribe. All right, the next thing in play is books to read. So many persons buy a lot of books for their babies, but I came across this book and I decided to buy it. And when I got the book delivered, I could not believe the quality of the book. It is so high quality, you wouldn't even think that this wasn't an expensive book. It is not expensive. I think it was like $7 on Amazon.com, and it is basically 365 bedtime stories. So in the book is 365 stories that you can read to your baby, and it omits the need for 6, 7, 8 reading books, at least in the beginning when he is not crawling around and choosing which book he wants to read. I can just read him a story from this one. Once he is big enough to, you know, start liking a particular book or loving the illustrations on a particular book and being able to say or point on a book that he wants us to read, then I'll consider getting more books. But for right now, in the earlier months when he doesn't even know what the hell I'm doing, I feel as if this does the job. I highly recommend this. The quality is nice. Like, do you guys see this? Like, the quality is nice. Like, look at these pages. The quality is unmatchable in this book, and it has 365 stories that I can choose to read. So I highly recommend this book. And the last section of this baby registry haul is nursing and feeding and all of that stuff. And I really only have 2 products to show you here because I do have a kitchen organization of baby items video. I will link it up here for you and also in the description box below. In that video, we were organizing all things kitchen items for baby, and I did go through a haul of like his bottles, pacifiers, and just stuff like that that are more kitcheny stuff. But I did not show you guys my breastfeeding pillow that I got. This is the breastfeeding pillow that I decided to go with. It is the My Best Friend breastfeeding pillow. The next one that is popular in the mom community is the boppy nursing pillow, but I heard a bunch of mixed reviews with the boppy where they're like the boppy is not tight enough around your waist. So this one comes with like a support for your back, and it has a strap that you can basically tighten or loosen to your liking, and it is just more sturdy than the boppy nursing pillow. So that is why I decided to go with this one. So this is the pillow, and you put it around you, around your waist like this part supports your back, and basically you have it right up here under your boob, and you can have baby on it nursing, and you do not have to worry about your arms being tired or anything like that, because it is sturdy enough for you to actually have baby on it without holding the baby yourself. So that is why I decided to go with the My Best Friend nursing pillow. They come in all kinds of patterns, but this is the one I liked the most. I think the disadvantage of the My Best Friend nursing pillow, this one, is that the style of them are very ugly, but I don't know, I liked this one and it's not ugly at all. That's the pattern, as you can see. I don't think it's ugly, so it's whatever. The next thing that I did not show you guys in that video because it did not come in yet was this bottle drying rack. This is the one we decided to go with. That is basically, is it plastic? I don't know. This is what it sounds like, but basically this is where the bottles go, and this white part can be lifted and everything can basically be washed or wiped out. And then lastly, the bottle warmer, which I think I did show you guys in the kitchen video, but this is the bottle warmer that we got, and it's from a brand called Groundsy, and it can be basically heat up baby food. It can sterilize bottles as well, and it has a rapid heating function. Oh, there is something here that I didn't show you guys, which is the baby wipe warmer. So this is the wipe warmer that I decided to go with. It is a Japanese brand wipe warmer, but I will try to link one from Amazon.com for you. I mean, it goes without saying, you know what a wipe warmer is, even if you are not a mom. You basically put wipes inside this thing and you plug it in, keep it plugged in, and it heats up baby wipes for you, because like you know, baby wipes, they're cold because they are basically made with water, and it's winter time, the time is cold. I don't want my baby to be cold and uncomfortable. As a matter of fact, baby cries make me anxious, so I just pray for me that I manage all of the newborn phase and stuff like that. I get really anxious when babies cry. Not that I don't know what to do, but I always feel as if I am a chicken running with his head cut off when a baby goes off. Like, the crying gives me anxiety. Am I the only one that stays like that? Like, am I the only one scared of baby cries? So if I can prevent anything to make him uncomfortable and not cry, I will do that. So maybe having some warmer wipes on his buttocks will make him not cry when we're trying to change his diaper. So I'm willing to take the chance with that. And that is really all of the stuff that I have bought for Baby Flex right here. If you're an expecting mom like me and you were looking for some inspiration, I hope this video provided exactly that. And if you are a second time, third time, even fourth time mama that is just looking for what is available in 2021 going into 2022 for babies, I hope that this video provided some inspiration of some of the stuff that is available to you to buy. Of course, as I said, every mom is different, and the stuff that I think I need may not be the stuff that you think you need. As a matter of fact, you may flat out think all of this is unnecessary, and that is okay as well. We are not judging anyone, especially on this channel, especially as first time moms. I'm not having it, so please do not. I hope this video provided some inspiration for you. I hope you liked it. If you did, of course, give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I post a video. Until next time, bye guys.